Shubor nagaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Hagakat hinyo trek ubnai rempang arajar arpawar, kumbah hinyo pau hinyo teliki kenhon producers group jongka Wkhd Hills District. Kilayok Pisa naka sorkar jilla Lyngba ka farmers collectivization for upscaling of production and marketing system. Ya ketika Pisa syakitiki kenhon nongrem layok bansam do menteri rangba ka jilla ukon rat ke sangma. Dagi cek kebalakot syakanyo pawai pan prapasan laktingka, ha program ya perlu jumut bala penong daka Basin Development Unit Wkhd Hills, Havani Hall Pendengrai. Syuk-syuk ha kateka sengi lasak hilang ru da UMLA ka Nongston, ubak Max Melan Bersan. Ha ka jingdon langki he opisar ka district, kinong repat kiwe-kiwe.
4.5 lakh farmer families in the state. We decided that the government of Meghalaya, this MDA government, will give 5,000 rupees to every farmer family, which is amounting to more than 200 crores, will be distributed to all farmer families in the state. But there are a few things that we had to put so that the money would be used in the proper manner. Number one, this 5,000 rupees will be given to every family once. That means 2 members cannot be part of different groups. So 1 member per family. Number 2, this will not go into your personal account, but it will go into the group's account. So if you have 10 members in a group, your group will get 50,000 rupees. If you have 20 members in the group, you will get 1 lakh rupees. And therefore, your group you have to form. And like this, in the past 1 year, hundreds of groups have been formed. Just in the last 1 week, we have distributed checks to over 400 groups, more than 5,000 beneficiaries. More than 7 crores has been distributed in just 1 week. And today, we will be distributing to 77 producer groups, roughly 1,000 members, an amount of 71 lakh 85,000 rupees will be distributed today. And this money is being given so that your group can use it for group's benefit. Now, how can you use it? There are times when our farmers don't have enough money to even buy seeds. Sometimes our farmers don't have enough money to even buy packaging material or to even rent a vehicle to get their produce to the market. In these situations, if you are a group of 20, you get 1 lakh rupees. You can use 20,000 rupees to buy seeds. You can use 20,000 rupees to buy packaging material. You can use 20,000 rupees for transportation of your products. And remember, this money is not loan. You don't have to pay this back. This is your money, which the government has given to you. Use it nicely for the benefit of your family and for the benefit of your group. So these are the kind of programs that we have. And in the next 1 year, before December 2022, we will be distributing over 130 crores to different farmer groups. So this program will keep going on and on. This is my second focus program here. And there will be many more focus programs. I may not be able to come, but Honorable MLA will have this program. And as I said, the idea is that every single farmer family will get this benefit. So don't think that I didn't get today, how come somebody else got? You can be rest assured that every family will get this 5,000 rupees. But only 1 member per family will be selected. And that of course depends on the family and the producer groups that are formed.